Hi everyone, my name is Nofar from SAP Business One Product Management Team. In this video, I'm going to show you the UI API extensions. The UI API will give you the ability to customize web client view to your own business needs. Our IDE is the Visual Studio Code. After installing the Visual Studio plugin and the Web Client Inspector, you will be able to create a UI API project. Let's run the wizard together. Let's choose the SAP Business One Web Client extension, UI API app. Let's fill in some basic information like application ID, application version, and the application provider. In this step, you will be able to choose which view you want to extend. You can extend a system object or UDT and UDO. In my case, I choose the business partner detail view. Let's click Next and paste the URL of the view that we want to extend. Let's go to the web client and copy. Next and finish. Let's see the structure of the project. We can find the layout, the JSON file that includes all the UI elements that we have. And the only thing from your side, you need to decide where you want to locate your new UI element. In our case, right-click on the Edit button will give you the unique ID of this element. We will copy it and we'll paste it to the layout file. So now we have a new control from button type before the edit control. Let's go to the controller, to the JavaScript. Here we can find all the logic of the application. In our case, we have an event that handles the button click. And then we will get all the company information from the service layer and we will present it in a message box. A new capability that we have is the preview option. Let's preview this project. I will log into the web client. And here you can see that before the edit button, we have a new button, Get Company Information. Clicking this button will display all the company information. Thank you very much for joining this video. Hope you enjoy it.